Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute a server on Discord. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to mute this server so that you no longer get notifications from it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Discord, then find the server that you want to go ahead and mute, right click that server, and then highlight where it says server settings and click on that. And then for this server, so right click on the server and then click on mute server. So if you highlight where it says mute server, you can mute it for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it back on. So click on until I turn it back on. And now when you highlight this server, you can see that the server has been muted, so you no longer receive notifications from it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and mute a server on Discord. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.